Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how I work with include files in DigitalCAT. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to insert an include file. You can do that by going to Edit, Insert Include File, Alt-Control-I will work in standard keys or quick keys. I use quick keys, mine is the letter Y. So it's going to bring up a box that has all the include files that you have defined and the cursor defaults to this file name box. I will start typing in the name of the include file that I want. Here's where I want to point out that having a naming system for your include files is going to help save you time by keeping them nice and organized. So for instance, all my cover pages start with the word cover, all my cert pages start with the word cert, all my exhibit parentheticals start with the word exhibit, and so on. So I want a cover page, and I'll use my arrow key to scroll down, and I'll hit enter when I get the one that I want. And here's my include file inserted. I designed my include files to have these untranslate stoppers so that I can use my find next and find previous untranslate keyboard command to quickly get to them. I use U to go down and I use Shift U to go back up. And that way I can get to where I need to put the correct information in quickly. I'm going to insert one more include file. I'm on a cert page, arrow down. To show you that it can save you even more time if you design your include files in a way that doing a find and replace can save you time. So for instance, a lot of my cover pages and cert pages, I have to put the plaintiff's name in. Put it here, I have to put it here. So I'll just make it so that if I do a find and replace, Shift F for me, I can put in the plaintiff's name. And when you do find and replace, check these out, use these are helpful. But anyway, I'll hit enter, and now it's replaced in both places. Here it's replaced, there it's replaced. I do it with as many things as I can, defendant's name, month, day, case numbers, whatever I have to type it. If I have to type it in more than once, I'm trying to do it this way instead. So now I'm going to show you how to actually create an include file. So let's say you want an exhibit parenthetical. Type in what you want it to say. Exhibit number, can't type today. Put a stopper there, was marked for authentication. Back into quick keys. And I want this to be centered, so I'm going to change the paragraph style. You can do that by going to Format, Paragraph, Change Current Style. Alt-P is going to work. For me, in quick keys, I just hit Shift-P, and it brings up this box. I want it to be centered, so I'll hit C, brings me right there, and I'll hit enter. Now it's centered. Now you want to save this as the include file. Highlight all the text that you want to be saved as the include file, and then I hit Alt F because that's what gets underlined there when I hit Alt, and then I hit A, and then I hit I for include file. And then it just asks you what you want to name it. So this is an exhibit parenthetical. I'll start with exhibit. And yes, I'll just replace it. So next time you're editing and you find a place where an exhibit was marked and you need that parenthetical, insert your include file. I do it Y, start typing in exhibit because that's what it is. Scroll down, hit enter, boom, there you go. So you can also insert include files while you're doing real time by making a dictionary entry for them. And here's how you do that. Open up your add entry box. In the English translation, I want this to be centered, so I'm going to do open French bracket, P, center, close French bracket. Now here's where you put in the include file. Open French bracket, capital I, space, then the name exactly as it's saved in your include files, and close French bracket. Come down to your steno. I want it to be mark. And because this is not the dictionary that I want this to go into, I'm going to hit F11 to toggle to the dictionary that I do want, and I'm going to hit enter. So that the next time you're in court or at a deposition and you're going along and they decide they want to mark an exhibit, hit mark, and then keep going. And there you go. It's inserted right there for you. Fantastic. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful. I hope you all have a wonderful day.